blasted the former president over his claim that the 2020 election result was a big lie. She also voted to impeach him after the insurrection. Trump has issued a statement calling Cheney a war.
Will be walking. Cinco de Mayo. I really feel like going out for some drinks. But yeah, I think I could walk. I mean, it's a 20-minute walk. I can use the walk. I really don't like walking that route though because there's military back there. But I think we could do it. Little farmers market here. Not farmers market, but you know, we can. One of the most powerful things, or the most powerful things that my therapist said, and it wasn't my therapist, actually, my doctor, but it felt like it was my therapist. She said, you know, she noticed specifically what was happening, and like she pinpointed it immediately, probably because I repeated it several times. And then she said, you know, you have to, she believes in the power of words, and that you have to speak life into yourself. So that's one thing I normally don't. I really, and she talks about self-fulfilling prophecy, which I haven't heard of. I haven't even heard that term in such a long time. So hearing that term was like, yeah, you know what? I actually don't want to speak that into my life. I need to speak other things into my life. And she also said, which is like, the analogy is like when you go on a plane, they tell you to put, if the plane is going down, they tell you to put on your mask first and then to put everyone else's masks on if you can help. Because the thing is how you going to be dying and try to help everybody else. You need to be helping yourself first. And maybe it's because I don't get on planes often, but I don't, I never really recognize that. I do recognize that you have to take care of yourself before you can take care of everyone else. But there was something about that statement that really stuck out to me, because a plane going down is catastrophic, you know, can be catastrophic, more than likely will be. And that's one of my anxieties, that, you know, I'm gonna have a terrible outcome. So have to go to therapy. I knew that this was coming. I felt it coming. I think now that things are starting to, I don't want to say normalize, but definitely things are moving a little forward. We were all like kind of like in survival mode last year, and this year it hit me on Thanksgiving, and it's progressively gotten worse since. And I also actually have some physical discomfort. Apparently my rotator cuff is probably an old injury that has flared up because I've been doing the aerobic exercises. So I'm being referred. But yeah, I'm going to take a walk, which will help. I just want you guys to know that if you're battling anxiety, I feel you. If you battle depression and anxiety, I feel you. I'm with you. I'm with you in that battle. If you're battling health issues, I'm with you. If you battle with your weight, I'm with you. Like, I completely understand that, and that some days it's okay, and some days it feels like you're just going down. So sorry for the wobbly camera. I'm working on it, y'all. I still haven't posted the first vlog, so whew. All right, so it's the end of the day. I had a meeting, and there was another push, so it's supposed to happen tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna try to just end this blog tomorrow, so that we can at least get some of that footage into this blog, and so that, because I want to kind of give you a recap of what that is, what it's like to have a stylist for a consultation. And I think that's it. I just came back in, had some food, and then I got back to editing. I was on some meetings. Maybe I should have did that, but I was on some meetings, and then that's about it. I mean, and that's about it. Yeah. So now we're just gonna head. I'm just gonna end the night here. It's like one of those. I was ready to be done after the doctor's appointment. I was like, yeah, that's it. That's the end of the day for me. But things still had to be finished, and my task list is growing. And I'm like, I'm not ready.
When I get little followers, I can run really fast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. To the playground, I'll follow a girl with, but sometimes she'll follow me.
Oh, is that how it goes?
Yeah, sometimes. Oh, there's two stairs and that's it.
Yes.
Oh, Giant wants us to come down?
Yes. Come on.
Oh.
Well, no, we're coming down just because that. Right.
Go with the way that you still want, the way that you still see yourself.
Okay.
Like, I'm not trying to like change anything that you're doing. I just want to elevate what you've already done.
Right.
Add the little tips for you.
And I love it. I love everything you. Oh, I'm muted. Sorry, I was muted. I was like, I love everything that you have shown me thus far. And like I said, it's just like, now I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I can absolutely do this. And other things that I would have never thought about, like the boot cut jeans, for example. Now that you explain what type of boot cut, I totally understand.
You know,
okay.
Like this jean looks the bomb on me, and I know it does. So I'm getting it in 2 colors.
Right, exactly. I'm getting all the colors. I just finished my consultation. It went really well. I actually really enjoyed it because I got some like tips. There were things in there that I kind of basically already I knew, but I still needed the reminders. And then there was also, she had like plenty of suggestions. There was a whole presentation, and I get to keep the presentation for later use, so that if I need to refer back to it later, I can. So that was really, really informative. And of course, she was like, if whenever you need like some sort of suggestions, you could just email me or text me or whatever, and I'll give you some tips. So I really appreciate, I really did appreciate the entire session. And I'm excited to see like what I actually come up with. It really did make me take a look at styling clothes very differently. Even a matter of like elevating, like let's say our joggers, because we're still going to be in joggers for a while. But the idea that we can like elevate them And that's all I really wanted. Like, when I wanted to find like my overall style, and I understood that because I'm a Libra and because I have a problem making decisions sometimes, that it's very difficult for me to make a choice on like a particular style. Like, you know, I can't say I'm classic or grunge or a chic, or, you know what I mean? So I like that she incorporated all of those styles in there. So yeah, I had fun. I'm at the park with Aria right now, and then I think that's it. I'm gonna end the vlog here because that's probably the extent of how exciting my day is gonna get. Gonna go home most likely and cook and eat and relax, and that's all, y'all. That's all I got. I had a lot of fun. I was excited. And I actually can see how having a stylist for like even every season would help. Like every season, like every fashion season, to have a stylist to just like remind you and give you ideas. And she even showed me like where to shop. It was really good. I wish I could share all of it with you, but you know, propriety issues. So I'll see you guys next time.